This is a Hotpoint Ultima Washing Machine. This feature that I'm about to show you is available on WT960, WT940, WF860 and WF840 washing machines. So, to recall a stored program, you have to press this button here, and then it will bring up and show up all the settings that are set for the stored program in that area, and then you press start. Right, but what happens if you want to overwrite it? Let's say you select 40 degrees with light soil, an extra rinse, a reduced spin of 1200 RPM, maybe set it at 35 degrees. Well, that's a lot of pressing of buttons to then remember to press. Well, this is where the stored feature actually comes into place. The stored feature allows you to save your favourite setting, the most used setting, or a setting that you use every so often, where there's a lot of options to be pressed. Right, to save the setting you have to first start the machine on that desired setting. Then to save the setting you have to press and hold the stored. And the saving flashes with favorite next to it, and it goes off, and then it's stored. So now if I press stored, the options that I selected to be saved now come up. And now that program can be used over and over again. So I hope you found this video helpful on how to do your own and your own Hotpoint Ultima range washing machine. Thanks for watching.